In this video, I will talk about second part of the shot approach, bridge hand slide forward. This is what most of the professionals, actually all the professionals do to improve their alignment, the last part of the alignment. And in this video, I will exactly explain how to improve this exactly. So here we have reds. This is kind of optimal bridge head distance for that shot. Could be less, could be more, but the principle is that. And what I do in the second part of the shot approach, I just making sure that I slide slightly with the bridge forwards, because that allows you to have a better stance, because you kind of lean more forwards, plus also put Q-tip as close as possible to the cue ball, and basically that kind of stuff. So you approach and you slide. Slide into the shot. So you come and you slide. And I use this gap to make sure that I place my bridge correctly to the aiming line here. I put already bridge on the line and I slide. And that really helps you to get into the line much more accurately, the last 10% of the shot approach. So it's not only important to aim or sight the ball properly before the shot, but also walk into the shot. So let's do again. And this. Okay, so once you get comfortable with the short distance, you can do same on the angle shot. So what do I mean? Let's say if I have angle like this, and I have a bridge distance here. So I'm just gonna use a reference point, black, so you could understand what I mean. I cover most part of the object ball, so I could see only the necessary part to put this ball there. So with the bridge hand, I slide forward like that. Hit the ball. Was a little bit too thick. If you think you just have to adjust your aiming a little bit. Once again. Hit the ball. So basically, you can practice all the shots on straight shots, angle shots, different kind of distances. Once you get good, you can do this from the longer distance. What do I mean about that? From here. And slide into the shot. Slide into the shot. Or on the angle shot. For the longer distance angle, same principle like for the short distance. You approach, you slide. So you use the same principles for the straight or angle shots. That's really important, and more of that in my mentorship program. Click the link below in the description box. You will see all the information. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any comments, let me know, and see you soon.